have been enjoying short hair. In fact, I actually think I will not grow my hair. I'll keep on cutting it. I don't know, we shall see. Whatever will change our minds very quickly. So today I'll be using Isoplus product. This is a gel and this is the oil sheen. So the first thing that you want to do is to hydrate your hair. This is water, pure water, okay? Just soften your hair. Don't drench it too much, okay? Just a little bit. Rub your fingers to make sure that the water goes to every strand of your hair. Next, you want to take your Isoplus holding gel. There it is. I don't want to mess up my fingers or my nails, so I'm just gonna use this mascara. See? Ooh. Put it in your hand and just rub it like this. Ooh. Then, this is what you do. You twist and turn your hair. Twist and roll. Is it twist and roll? You see already curls are being activated. Just be generous, okay? But don't do too much. I think this is gonna be enough. Actually, I think it's more than enough. Woo, it's a lot actually. Yeah. Woo, it's a lot. But just be generous so that even your curls can be refined. You understand? Do on the sides. Okay, now sometimes you do this and your curls are not as refined as you want. You're gonna take your water so that your curls can be activated. Just sprinkle a little bit, okay? You see that? And sometimes when your gel did not distribute properly to the rest of your hair, you can just use water so that it can flow nicely to the other parts of your hair, okay? This is how it is. So the next thing that we're going to do is to lay our edges while our gel is drying a little bit, okay? It won't dry completely, but just give it time, okay? Just give it some few minutes and do your edges. I'm still learning how to do edges, okay? So please bear with me. Hey, ooh. I love my hair. We are not done, Pelo, okay? Me, I'm extra. I want to open a direction right here. Either I can make it a C or just a straight line. Let's see. I'm extra. I am extra. Next, we are going to use Isoplus Oil Sheen to bring the shine. Just shake it a little bit like this. Okay. And then pat it in like this so that you lock in the moisture, okay? And to avoid that itchiness, because yes, it's oily, it's gonna shine when you get to the sun, but for now, because we're in the house, it looks like it's itchy, okay? So just pat it in like that. And what I like to do is to take a wig band just to put my baby hairs in place for a minute while I'm cleaning up, okay? Yeah. We are done. Look at us. Oh my goodness. Oh guys, I'm keeping my short hair because now we can do more styles with our hair. It's no longer gonna be boring and flat with Isoplus. And I will also try other gels to see if they can give me this kind of curls, okay? Yeah. Just let me know in the comment section what you think about the hair, the makeup. Just comment whatever that you want to comment concerning today's video. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.